Hi guys, today I want to show you how to reset the change oil reminder in Hyundai Tucson. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to reset the change oil reminder in Hyundai Tucson. Like you see on my dashboard, it's mine is 290 miles, so the oil should be changed 200 miles before. Anyway, let's go. For the reset oil change reminder, you will use this knob and this one, which change the menu on the screen. Every time when I press this button, then menu on the screen going to the next position. I'm pressing constantly, just show you what's changing on the dashboard. You see the top menu changing on the middle display. So for the changing oil, you need to press to the spanner symbol and then push down the knob from tire pressure to service required. Mine is 290 miles. Then back on the driving wheel, press and hold OK button. All done. Next service is expected in 20,000 miles or 730 days. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, just write in comment section.